Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Figo, and I'm one of the mentors in Profit Life Academy. So I welcome you in this video. I hope you'll enjoy it, and I hope you'll learn as much as possible from it. Now, in this video, I'll be introducing you guys to Forex trading. And I know a lot of you are quite familiar with the chart that you see here on the screen. Some of you know a thing or two about it, while some not so much. Well, nonetheless, I hope by the end of this video, you'd have learned a thing or two about this chart that you see here on the screen, how you interpret it, what does it mean, and a whole lot more. So if you can please grab a seat, sit comfortably, because we are about to begin. So yeah, before we start, I just want us to go through some of the most popular questions or concerns that a lot of people have out there regarding Forex trading. And the first one, or the most popular one, is Forex a scam? Well, unfortunately, guys, or the reality is, there's a whole lot of people out there that still believe that Forex is a scam. And obviously there are those that know it's not a scam. But then, it will be interesting to know, for those that are saying or are believing that Forex is a scam, is it because you know anyone who have been scammed before, or perhaps have you been scammed before yourself? It will be interesting to find out. Nonetheless, again, there's a lot of people out there who are skeptical about Forex trading, and I would imagine that's because maybe they know somebody who have been scammed before, or they've been scammed themselves before. Well, that's quite unfortunate. But then the reality, guys, is that Forex trading is not a scam. That I can assure you, it's not a scam. It's just that people are scammers. So you have a lot of people out there that are scamming people in the name of Forex trading, which basically leads to these concerns or these questions that we just spoke about. Again, it's very important, guys, to know and understand that Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme, guys. There's a conception out there, or misconception out there, that Forex it's a get-rich-quick scheme, whereby you can start trading financial markets today and tomorrow you reach driving nice cars, living in fancy houses, and things like that. Well, that is just a misconception, guys. Forex is a journey. Forex is a process. There's a whole lot of things that you need to know. There's a whole lot of things that you need to go through to be successful in trading financial markets. So here's a disclaimer here. Foreign exchange and CFD trading are leverage products that involve a significant risk of loss. So in other words, this means that you can make a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money trading financial markets. That's just the reality of it, guys. As much as there are profits there, as much as you can make money trading financial markets, there are losses also. That is how it is. That is just the reality of trading financial markets. So all you have to do is just to position yourself in a way that you make more profits than losses, because losses will be there as much as profits will always be there. So yeah, what is Forex? So foreign exchange market, commonly known as Forex or FX, is the global market that allows the exchange of one currency for another. Well, Forex or FX is the largest financial market in the world, whereby about 6.6 trillion a day are traded in the markets. So that's trillion with a capital letter T, guys. So that's a whole lot of money. Trillions, 6.6 trillion. Again, Forex markets are open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, except synthetic indices, obviously. So you have indices such as your volatility indexes that are open 24/7, meaning 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So it gives you an opportunity to make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's very awesome. However, as I said earlier in this video, as much as you can make money in trading financial markets, you can lose money too. So you just have to be careful about that. So yeah, who trades in forex markets? Forex markets are made up of the following. So you have the banks. Those are your typical banks, your Absas, Standard Bank, FNB, and a whole lot more. You also have brokers. Well, brokers are institutions that basically connect you into their market. It includes institutions like your Plus 500, your FX Pro, Hot Forex, Globex 360, and a whole lot more. Okay, you also have commercial companies. You also have central banks. So central banks are banks such as your South African Reserve Banks. South African Reserve Bank in South Africa. That's one central bank that we have in South Africa. You also have investment management firms and hedge funds. So hedge funds are regarded as alternative investments, guys. They make more extensive use of leverage and more complex investment techniques, which basically distinguish them from the typical investments. And we also have retail forex traders, which includes me and you. That's the category that we part of, and I say hopefully there because I take into consideration that perhaps some of you are not actually or haven't started trading financial markets, but then we hope by the end of this video you'll be inspired and motivated to start trading financial markets. Now we have 8 major currencies in trading or in forex. We have the first one there, the Canadian dollar, abbreviated CAD. You also have the Australian dollar. You also have the Swiss franc. You also have the most famous one there, the United States dollar. You also have New Zealand dollar, Great British pound, Japanese yen, and lastly the European dollar. So yeah, now that you know the 8 major currencies that are part of forex, and you know who participates in trading financial markets, let's now go through what you need as a retail trader. It doesn't mean now you're ready to trade, but then just sort of gives you an idea or tells you what you need to start trading financial markets. So you need the following. You need a broker. There's a variety of brokers out there, as I mentioned earlier in this video, and there are those that are regulated, and unfortunately some of them are not regulated, but then we do recommend that you get the regulated ones. You also need a platform. Again, there's a variety of platforms such as your MT5, that's MetaTrader 5, TradingView, and the MetaTrader 4. So we recommend as a beginner or as someone who just started or about to start trading financial markets, we recommend that you use MetaTrader 4, mainly because it's user friendly and there's no monthly subscription fees that you need to pay, unlike your TradingViews. It's awesome TradingView, however there's monthly subscriptions that you need to pay. You also need an internet connection. You need a smart device, be it your mobile device or personal computer, be it your tablet or laptop. Yeah, but then you need a smart device. So yeah, this is the interface of the MetaTrader platform app. And here's where you can download the app. Well, depending on the device that you use, either in Play Store, in Google, or Apple Store. So yeah, the MetaTrader platform has a variety of features that includes currency pairs, charts, time frames. So we have different time frames, ranging from minutes up until monthly. So here we gave an example of an M15 time frame, which is 15 minutes. So this M is for minutes. 1 hour, this H is for hour, and then 4 hours, D for daily time frame, and then W for weekly time frames. You also have stop loss and take profits. So those are some of the tools that you are gonna use to manage your capital. And there's also pending orders. So pending orders includes things like your buy limits, sell limits, buy stops, and sell stops. You also need, or there's also market execution. So this well, as I said, there's a variety of features in MT4, but then these are the ones that we have identified and then that we think you're gonna need, or they are important for you to be able to understand how to use this platform, and will allow you to trade effectively in using this platform here. So yeah, we're just gonna go through each and every one of them, give a bit of explanation so that you guys get an overall understanding of how to use them, where they are in the app, and a whole lot more.